Hello, what's up? I hope you're doing well. I just want to take this time out to share with you 4 to 5 tips on how you can purify the water that you're drinking from your pipe water, how you can purify that water to make it more healthy for you, so it's easier and easier for you to stay hydrated, because I find that the pipe water has a lot of chlorine in it. So these methods that I'm sharing will help you to get rid of the chlorine and to also energize the water that you're drinking to make it healthier for your body and make it easier and more fun to drink water. And yeah, I wrote these tips in my blog, on my blog, so that's where they are now. So I'll put the link to my blog right above this video here, so you can just click that link and it will take you directly to the posts, and you'll find the tips there, and you can share these tips, you can implement them in your lives, because these are the tips that I also use to stay well while I'm drinking water. And it is very important for us now to keep ourselves hydrated. I know a lot of us can't afford to go out and buy purified or filtered water, so these methods actually really work at home. So just give them a try and see and feel the difference in your hydration, in the hydration of your temple. So stay well, always stay well, do what's well for you, and share, spread the love. Remember that I love you so much, and eat well, what good.